Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If cot square A into cot square B equal to 3, then we have to find 2 minus cos 2A into 2 minus cos 2B. Okay? What is given? Cot square A into cot square B is equal to 3. Now, we have cot square A formula cos square A by sin square A into cos square B by sin square B equal to 3. So let us do cross product. Cos square A into cos square B equal to 3 times of sin square A into sin square B. Okay. Let us take equation 1. So what is our target? Required 2 minus cos 2A into 2 minus cos 2B. Okay. First we should multiply 2 minus cos 2A into 2 minus cos 2B. So 2 multiply to all, 2 to the 4 minus 2 cos 2B minus 2 cos 2A minus into minus plus cos 2A into cos 2B. Cos 2A into cos 2B. So it will going to be 4 minus 2 times of cos 2B. Cos 2B formed in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square B. 2 times of cos 2A formula 1 minus 2 sin square A plus cos 2A we have 1 minus 2 sin square A into 1 minus 2 sin square B cos 2B. Okay. So let us do multiply 4 minus, so 2 multiply to all, 2 minus plus 4 sin square B minus 2 minus into minus plus 4 times of sin square A 1 minus 2 sin square A into 1 minus 2 sin square B. It will be 1 multiplied to all, 1 minus 2 sin square B minus 2 sin square A multiplied to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So minus into minus plus 4 sin square A into sin square B. Okay. Okay, in this 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. 4 sin square B minus 2 sin square B, it will be sin square B. 4 sin square A minus 2 sin square A value plus 2 sin square A. We have got this value 1 plus 2 sin square B plus 2 sin square A plus 4 sin square A into sin square B. So this is equation 1. So let us do simplify this equation. Cos square A formula write 1 minus sin square A into 1 minus sin square B. It will be 3 sin square A into sin square B. Okay. First 1 minus sin square A into 1 minus sin square B, it will be 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A multiplied to all minus sin square A plus sin square A into sin square B is equal to 3 sin square A into sin square B. Okay. So 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A plus sin square A sin square, bring the right side, 3 sin square A sin square B minus sin square A sin square B, it will be 2 sin square A sin square B. Okay, 2 sin square A sin square B value, right? 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A. So 1 plus 2 sin square B plus 2 sin square A plus 4 times of, so 4 can be written as 2 times of 2 sin square A sin square B value. From this equation we should write 1 minus sin square B minus sin square A. Okay. It will going to be 1 plus 2 sin square B plus 2 sin square A. This 2 multiplied to all, 2 minus 2 sin square B minus 2 sin square A. Now I say that 2 sin square B get cancelled as well as 2 sin square A. So answer 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, let us go to the next problem. If sin theta plus alpha value as well as sin theta plus beta values are given, then we have to find cos 2 times of alpha minus beta minus 4ab times of cos alpha minus beta. Okay. So cos, let us write cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos, this can be written as theta plus alpha minus theta plus beta. So theta plus alpha minus of theta plus beta. So after minus multiplication, theta get cancelled, alpha minus beta. Okay, we have cos A minus B formula. Cos A minus B, cos A cos B, cos theta plus alpha into cos theta plus beta plus sin A sin B, sin theta plus alpha into sin theta plus beta. Okay, so cos theta plus alpha value, sin theta plus alpha value given A. Cos theta plus alpha, it will be root under 1 minus A square. We have cos theta is equal to root under 1 minus sin square theta formula. Sin theta is equal to root under 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so sin theta plus alpha value A, then cos theta plus alpha is root under 1 minus A square. Cos theta plus beta, sin theta plus beta value given, then cos theta plus beta value root under 1 minus B square plus this is A, this is B, AB. Okay, so what is this value? Cos alpha minus beta value. So let us take equation 1. So what is our target? So required cos 2 times of alpha minus beta minus 4AB cos alpha minus beta. Okay, cos 2 theta formula. We have cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 1. Minus right minus 4AB times of cos alpha minus beta. Okay, minus 1 first right. In this one cos alpha minus beta take out common. 2 cos alpha minus beta. 2 cos alpha minus beta take out common. Minus plus 2 cos alpha minus beta take out common. It will be 1 cos alpha minus beta. 1 cos alpha minus beta minus 2AB. Okay, we have got this value minus 1 plus 2 cos square alpha minus beta minus 4AB times of cos alpha minus beta. So minus 1, in this 1 2 cos alpha minus beta take out common. It will going to be cos alpha minus beta minus 2AB. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2 cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta value we have got from equation 1 root 1 minus A square into root 1 minus B square plus AB minus 2AB. Minus 2AB right as it is. So minus 1 plus 2 times of cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta value from equation 1, it value root 1 minus A square into root 1 minus B square plus AB into root 1 minus A square root 1 minus B square plus AB minus 2AB minus AB. Okay, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. A square root 1 minus A square into root 1 minus B square whole square. It will be 1 minus A square into 1 minus B square minus B square, where B value AB. B square is A square B square. So minus 1 plus 2 times of, so 1 minus A square into 1 minus B square, it will be 1 minus B square minus A square plus A square B square. Already minus A square B square right. When A square B square get cancelled, it will be minus 1 this 2 multiplied to all 2 minus 2B square minus 2A square is nothing but 1 minus 2A square minus 2B square. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root 2. Okay, how many 2's are given? 5 2's are given. Okay, we have one formula. So root under 2 plus root under 2 plus root under 2 plus up to n times. So it will be 2 cos pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. What is the formula? 2 cos pi by 2 to the power n plus 1. Here n is equal to 5. How many 2's are given? 5 2's are given. Where n is the number of 2's. Therefore, what is the answer? 2 cos pi by, where n place and write 5. It will going to be 2 cos pi by 2 to the power 6 value 64. This is answer. Okay, moving to next question. If tan x minus tan y whole square, tan y minus tan z whole square, tan z minus tan x whole square are in arithmetic progression, then find out tan x minus tan y minus tan z, and tan z minus tan x are in. Okay. So let us take A is equal to tan x minus tan y. B is equal to tan y minus tan z. Okay. C is equal to tan z minus tan x. Okay, let us do adding. A plus B plus C equal to, so plus tan x minus tan x get cancelled, plus tan y minus tan z plus tan z, it will be 0. So A plus C is equal to minus B. Okay, now squaring on both sides, A square, squaring on both sides, A plus C whole square is equal to B square. Therefore, A square plus C square plus 2AC is equal to B square. But from statement what is given? A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression given, AP given. If A square, B square, C square are in AP, then the condition is 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. Okay, right. A square plus C square value, since A square plus C square is equal to, we have got 2B square. So 2B square plus 2AC is equal to B square. One 2B square bring the right side. So 2AC is equal to B square minus 2B square. It will going to be minus B square. Okay, we have got 2AC is equal to minus B square. We have A plus B plus C equal to 0. So 2AC equal to minus B square. Minus B square can be written as minus B into B. Okay. So minus B divide minus B on both sides. 2AC by minus B is equal to plus B. From this equation, A plus C is equal to minus B. So minus B place in, we should write A plus C. So 2AC by A plus C is equal to B. Therefore, this is the condition for harmonic progression. Therefore, A, B, C are in harmonic progression. Where A is tan x minus tan y, B is tan y minus tan z, C is tan z minus tan x. Are in harmonic progression. Okay, moving to next question. If theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and so on, theta n are in AP, arithmetic progression, then we have to find sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 up to sin theta n by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus and so on cos theta n. Okay. We have sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2, sin theta 3 and so on sin theta n. This formula sin n beta by 2 is equal to sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into sin theta 1 plus theta n by 2. Okay, where beta is common difference of angles. Common difference of angles. Okay. Okay, we have sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 and so on up to sin theta n. Then we have formula sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into sin theta 1 plus theta n by 2, where beta is common difference of angles. Okay, next cos theta 1, this is the first formula. Second one, cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus and so on plus cos theta n. We have this formula sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into cos theta 1 plus theta n by 2, where beta is common difference of angles. Okay, so what is the statement? This is a statement. So is equal to, right, direct, sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta n theta 3 up to sin theta n. This formula we have sin n beta by 2 sin n beta by 2 into sin theta 1 plus theta n by 2 by sin beta by 2, this whole divided by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus and so on cos theta n. We have formula, this formula sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into cos theta 1 plus theta n by 2. Okay. Okay, what is required? This is required sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 plus and so on plus sin theta n. We have sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into sin theta 1 plus theta n by 2 by cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 plus and so on cos theta n. We have formula sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into cos theta 1 plus theta n by 2. Okay, sin n beta by 2 get cancelled as well as sin beta by 2. So sin by cos, it will be tan theta 1 plus theta n by 2. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.